Hi friends, welcome to Learn Programming. In this video, we are going to discuss how can we prevent an SQL injection attack. If anyone of you haven't watched the previous video, please do watch that first because this is a continuation of that previous video. Actually, in the last video, we are able to hack the login with the malformed input from the user. But this time we have changed how SQL is executing on the server so that injection has been prevented. So in this example, if we try this code, it will not be login because we are prevented the SQL injection through code. So let's try what we have changed. In the last video, we have given SQL as a plain string, and you can see the commented code here is actually a plain string where we have concatenated email and password directly. So that is the reason why the user is able to hijack or attack the with the SQL queries in the username. So this time we have changed the SQL, and this is the correct way to do. And for this example, we have used the bind parameter syntax. In this syntax, we will be giving percentages as values instead of actual values in the string, and the actual values are actually binded while we run the cursor execute statements as a tuple value. In this example, email and password is created as a Python tuple, and it is binded while the cursor has been executed. So there are several other advantages for using this syntax, because if you are executing the same query again and again, it will improve the performance of the MySQL because it has been already prepared. This kind of statement is called prepared statements as well. So you must always use prepared statements like syntax while using SQLs in Python or any other language. This is the correct or the best method to do the SQL. Never execute the plain queries with the string concatenation in the database directly. That is the main reason for SQL injection attack. Hope the concept is clear. So let's try with the correct password that we have done last time. So only when we have given the correct password, it will be giving us the login success. So let's see what was the correct password in the database. So in this database, the correct username and password is email ID is krishna@desk.com and password is test123. So let's try that. So we are getting login success. So this is how we can prevent the SQL injection attack. Only the correct login and password will be giving a login success. All other values will be giving as login failed. So be sure to use this SQL this syntax, this bind parameter syntax while you are using applications and SQLs. So we will be coming with new other videos with the new topic in the later videos. So then see you then.